Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will start with 2 quick diagnostics and safe prep. First, power cycle the phone, hold power and a volume button for about 10 seconds to rule out a temporary firmware hang. Next, boot into safe or recovery mode to see if an app causes flicker. While the phone is powered down, inspect edges and the charging port. Make sure there is no water residue or cracked glass that can short the display. Once done, you'll know if this is software or hardware related. Now you tackle the core fixes. Update the operating system and any display drivers. Patching often resolves timing bugs. Then disable auto brightness and test at full brightness to see if PWM dimming is the issue. If flicker persists, drain the battery to under 20% and try again. Some displays behave differently at low charge. If you're comfortable and have ESD-safe tools, remove the back and inspect the display connector for looseness. Finish by reseating or replacing the display connector. A single bent pin or loose latch often causes intermittent flicker. If replacing the screen, use new adhesive strips and test the panel before final assembly. Connect and power the phone briefly to confirm the fix. Make sure to torque screws evenly and avoid over-tightening. If flicker continues after a known good screen, it points to the logic board or power management IC. In that case, stop and consult a professional technician for board-level diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.